Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Back in business after being destroyed by Hurricane Beryl, Jamaica's floating bar is once again attracting customers. Anthony Lugg reports.
Once a popular hotspot for tourists and locals alike, Poko Loko, Jamaica's first floating bar, was ravaged by Hurricane Beryl in July 2024. Today, it floats again, but this time sturdier than before, on a reinforced barge platform.
This barge came from Louisiana. They towed this barge here from Louisiana. No problems, no incidents, this is a tank. When you're on here, you barely know that you're on water. I mean, this thing is level, calm, smooth, and safe.
Now, the owner says getting things back to where it's at today was not easy, but he's looking forward to bigger and better things.
The new structure features upgraded kitchen facilities and an open-air dining deck that gives visitors panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. Owner Anthony Warren is looking ahead, but he shared some lessons learned.
Unlike the last time where we were waiting for things to come through, this is like a car. Before we drove the barge off the lot, we had insurance coverage. And as we went and built it, we kept on increasing the coverage. So now that was one big thing. Another thing, we have two different tug companies that we have contracts with. So in case of emergency, we will move it out of harm's way. But the awesome thing about this new barge is it's able to withhold level 4 hurricanes winds.
Mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Belnavis, says based on inspections carried out, he's satisfied.
We've had to work with the individuals and so on, so that it could conform and be safe, and for them to get all the necessary approvals. So since the necessary approvals are in fact given, we support it.
Tourism stakeholders were also present to mark the occasion, applauding the team behind the project for their resilience. Joy Roberts is Executive Director for Jamaica Vacations.
We find that the cruisers now are in the age 45 to 55 age group, and they want things like this. They want to be able to sit down, relax, be away from the maddening crowd, out on the ocean, and this is going to be a very important addition to the iconic attractions that Outres offers.
Sunday's soft launch welcomed a mix of stakeholders to include hoteliers and curious locals eager to see the comeback story unfold in person.
It's been good, it's vibrant, like vibes checked, totally awesome. The staff is quite friendly, I do like the environment, so it's just pretty good, it's a good experience.
From the wreckage of a hurricane to the rhythm of renewal, the owner says Poko Loko is once again ready to serve.
Reporting from Poko Loko here in St. Anne, I'm Anthony Lugg for TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,637 points today, while the junior market index fell by 15 points. The winners include Knutsford Express Services, MFS Capital Partners, Pulse Investments, Dolphin Cove and Edufocal. The losers include Dollar Financial Services, Elite Diagnostic, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Guardian Holdings and ISP Finance Services. Foreign currency trading ended today with the banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.23. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.82. The pound is going for $216.45, while the euro is selling for an average $181.30. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.